It's Dolphin Day! For day, what are we on? Day 3. Dolphin Day, that's all I know. Dolphin Day. It was a port day. We went to Cozumel, Mexico, and you know what? We got to swim with the dolphins today, and literally that is all I can think about. We did no sewing today. We were just kind of on our own, which was fantastic. I wanted to share with you the strangest thing that I've ever seen. I've never seen this, is water in a can. This is amazing. So no plastic, and yeah, I'm just in awe of this. But seriously, Dolphin Day was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to come back for day 4 tomorrow.